today in this video we are going to find the solutions of intermediate maths 2a. So this is second chapter De Moivre's theorem. So in this exercise 2a we are going to find the solutions today in this video. Now these are some important formulas or important identities you have to remember. So please go through this all identities. Okay. Now starting with the exercise 2a here. Now before starting to the exercise you have to know something here. So you go through your textbook 37th page. You go there and see there is some note there, 2.1.2 note there. Some 5 points are given. First point is like this, CIS theta is equal to, so it will become cos theta plus I sin theta will come, he saying this. So this type of second one, third one and fourth one and fifth one identities are there. Please go through their total identities. So this is important, I wrote here. And another thing here in this only De Moivre's theorem, De Moivre's theorem, like what we can write, theorem, that is CIS theta whole power of n is equal to CIS n theta will come. So this is a main De Moivre's theorem. So please concentration on this one, and remaining some identities are there. Please go through there. It will come in your exercises. Okay. So start with the exercise 2a with the first question here. So here fifth identity is CIS alpha into CIS beta is equal to CIS alpha plus beta will come. Here in the textbook they will given as theta in this place alpha, theta given, and in this beta place they will given as pi. So I took as alpha beta, so it will become CIS alpha plus beta will come here. So as you can write it is your own wish. You can write theta alpha, theta pi, or alpha comma beta. So any can you use. Okay. So here some other important formulas are there. One CIS alpha into CIS beta is equal to CIS alpha plus beta will come. This is one point here, and another CIS alpha divided by CIS beta is equal to CIS alpha minus beta will come. So this is second identity. So please these identities practice and remind. It will useful for in your further exercise, and 2a and exercise 2b also this will useful. Okay. Now moving to the here what in exercise 2a first section. Here section 1 first question is, if n is an integer, here he is saying that, and then show that the 1 plus I power of 2n plus 1 minus I power of 2n is equal to 2 power of n plus n1 plus into cos of n pi by 2. He asking us to show this one. So here n is an integer, he saying that, and we have to show this to this. Now solution here. So he given that 1 plus I. So I will take this first 1 plus I here. So 1 plus I will take it as z. Actually this is z is equal to x plus iy, we can take like this. So modulus of this z, of this z is equal to under root of x square plus y square actually. So x square, in this one x square is here 1 only. So x is 1 only. So under root of 1 plus y of this one y only. So 1 only. So it will become under root 2. So from this I will do one thing here. 1 plus I is equal to I will multiply with this one with the root and divide with the root 1 root 2. Okay. So it will become 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2 will come here. So 1 by root 2 value is how much here? What we can write it as 1 by root 2. So we can write it as cos pi by 4. Cos of pi by 4. What is pi by 4? 180 by 4 means 45. 45 cos 45 1 by root 2. So I sin 45, this one also means pi by 4 here. So what is this one? 1 plus I here. So what we have to get? I power of 2n. No? So we'll add this power of 2n here. So 2n for all things, all this 2n. So here 1 plus I power of 2n is equal to, so it will become root 2 power of 2n is equal to, we can write it as root 2 whole power of 2n is equal to root 2 whole square whole power of n. Root will get cancelled, 2 power of n will remain here. Okay. So here 2 power of n will remain, and this is will come inside this one, become cos 2 pi n, 2 pi n divided by 4 plus I into sine of 2n pi by 4 will come here. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, so this 2 1 ja 2 2 ja will come. So 1 plus I whole power of 2n is equal to 2 power of n into cos pi by pi n by n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2 will come. So this is first one we think that here, and next one we have to do for this I minus 1. Okay, now same for this modulus also we have to find here. So what is the modulus will come? So same like x square plus y square under root, so it will become 1 square, and plus minus 1 whole square, it will become also root 2 will come here. So here I will add this root 2 to both sides, 1 by root 2 minus I 1 by root 2. So here root 2 same, so this is also same like cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 will come here. So 1 minus I this one, so I will take power of 2n. So here power of 2n I will take here this side, and then this side also 2 power of n. So power of 2n, so it will become I minus 1 minus I whole power of 2n is equal to, so 2 power of n into something like this will come here, only minus will change here, cos of n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. So same like this will come, first equation like this will come, only minus sign will change here. This is second one, we'll think that. So we have to add this now, so here plus sign is there, so we have to add these two things, 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 I power of 2n and plus 1 minus I power of 2n is equal to, so 2 power of n will common from both sides, here 2 power of n from this side, this 2 will common, this 2n and this 2n. Okay, 2n I will keep outside the brackets, and it will become, I will write this plus and this. So here cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2 minus plus, here we have to write this one also now. So cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. So these 2 will get cancelled, I sin n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2 will get cancelled, here will remain this one only. So what will remain, 2 power of n into cos n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2 will remain. So addition of this thing, 2 power of n into 2 into cos n pi by 2 will come. So what we are asking to us find, so 2 power of n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. So this 2 and this 2 multiplication will be 2 power of n plus 1 will come, and remaining will same here. Okay, so this is answer of this first question. What he asking us to show, this 1 plus this one is equal to, he asking us to show this one. So we got that one. Okay, here 2 not 2 cos n pi by 2. So this is answer here. Now moving to the next question. First section, second question we are going to find. Now second question here, find the values of the following. So first question is given that 1 plus I root 3 whole cube. So solution here, here 1 plus I root 3. So 1 plus I root 3. So what is the modulus of this one, is equal to 1 plus root 3 whole square, this whole square. It will become 1 plus 3 under root is equal to 2 will come. So 1 plus I root 3 is equal to 2 into what we can write it as 2 plus 1 minute, here 1 by 2 I will write plus here I root 3 by 2 will come. Okay, so this is LCM is 2 and 2 will get cancelled, no? So like that. So here 1 by 2 is how much we can write it as, cos of pi by 3, cos 60 is equal to 1 by root 2. Here I sin 60, sin 60 means root 3 by 2, so sin pi by 3 will come here. Now so what he asking us to for cube, so I will take a cube both sides of the equation. Okay, so here cube into cos of pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 will come here, whole power of 3 will come. Okay, Now this one I plus 1 plus I root 3 whole power of 3 is equal to 2 power of 3 is equal to 8, no? So these 3 come inside, like CIS theta power of n is equal to CIS n theta, like this. N will come inside the theta, so same 3 it comes inside the theta. Cos 3 pi by 3 plus I sin 3 pi by 3 will come here. So 3 will get cancelled and 3 will get cancelled here. 8 will remain into cos of pi by pi plus I sin pi will remain here. So this will remain, and if you want to do continue, you can continue. I plus 1 plus I root 3 whole power of 3 is equal to, so 8 of cos pi plus I sin pi. Okay, so in this cos pi is equal to, what we can write it as minus 1. So cos 180 is equal to minus 1 and plus I into sin pi 0 into I 0 is equal to, so 8 into minus 1 will come, so minus 8 is the answer. But 1 plus I root 3 whole power of 3 is equal to, so this is the answer. So it will come maximum up to short answers questions for your board exam. Okay, short answers. So this type of question is very important, please practice. Okay, now moving to the next question in this bit, second bit only. Now second question is 1 minus I whole power of 8. So solution here, so 1 minus 8 is equal, 1 minus I is equal to, so this is I is equal to, the modulus of this one is equal to x square plus y square, no? In this x square is equal to 1 whole square plus y square is equal to minus 1 whole square is equal to under root of 2 will come. So here 1 minus I is equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus I into 1 by root 2. It will take like this. Okay, now here so what is this root 2 into 1 by 2, what we can write it as cos of pi by 4, cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 will come here. Okay, now what he asking us to find, whole power of 8, no? So I 1 minus I whole power of 8, so I will submit, so it will become, so this power of 8 into this power of whole power of 8 will come. So 1 minus I whole power of 8 is equal to, so here 2 comes inside, I will write here 2 power of 8 is there, na? It will become 2 power of square whole power of 4, 2 here 2 into 4 is 8, no? So it will come like this. So now 2 will get cancelled, 2 power of 4 will remain here. So means 2 power of 4 into this 8 will come inside, cos of 8 pi by 4 minus I sin of 8 pi by 4 will come here. So this will come inside. Okay, now here 1 minus I whole power of 8 is equal to 2 power of 8 is equal to how much? 16. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to 16. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So what will get, cos 2 pi minus I sin 2 pi will come. So here 16 into something, this cos 2 pi is equal to how much we can write it as 1. 16 into 1, because cos 180 is equal to how much? Cos 180 is equal to pi is equal to, or 180 is equal to minus 1, no? So 360 is equal to plus 1 will come. Okay, here 1 come, and minus 0 into something I here, sin 2 pi, sin 180 also 0, so it will also here 0 into I is equal to 0. 16 into 1 is equal to 16 is the answer. So which one answer? 1 minus 8 whole power of, I whole power of 8 is equal to 16. So this is the answer here. Now moving to the third question in this one. Now question same like that only. So second one like, so 1 plus I whole power of 16. Here we know already 1 plus I is equal to how much will come? Root 2 will come. Okay, modulus of this I plus 1 plus I. Okay, we'll do 1 plus I is equal to, so root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by 1 by root 2 will come. So same like that only. What will come here? Here root 2 into, so this is cos pi by 4, same that only, cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 will come here. So I plus 1 plus I the value. So power of 16 I will add from both the sides. It will become 1 plus I whole power of 16 is equal to root 2 whole power of 16 into cos of pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power of 16 here. The 16 comes side this 2 1, so it will become 2 power of 1 by 2 whole power of 16, and it will become cos of 16 pi by 4 plus I sin of 16 pi by 4. So 4 1 ja 4 4 ja, here 4 1 ja 4 4 ja, so this 2 1 ja 2 8 ja, so it will become 2 power of 8 into cos of 4 pi plus I sin 4 pi will come here. So what is the answer here? 1 plus I power of 16 is equal to 2 power of 8 is equal to 18. 8 is equal to how much? 256. So please consideration on this one. 2 power of 10 is equal to 1024, you know already. 2 power of 9 is equal to 512, and 2 power of 8 is equal to 256. 2 power of 7 is equal to how much? 1 చెప్పండి. So here 128. 2 power of 6 is equal to how much? 64. Very good. 2 power of 5 is equal to 32, like this will come. Okay, here 256 into cos 4 pi is equal to how much will come answer? Cos 4 pi is equal to 1 plus I into sin 4 pi 0 here, so it will become 256. What is the answer? 1 plus I whole power of 16 is equal to, what will be the answer? 256.